Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to see how to insert image and hyperlink into your HTML file. And I have covered both of the topics in the same video, so I will be giving timestamps in the description. So if you want to see any one particular topic, you can skip to that time and see that one. You can skip rest of the video. So without wasting any time, let's get started. As you can see, I am on my computer screen, so I will be launching Notepad. This is the untitled one. Okay, so first I will be creating a basic HTML file. If you don't know how to create one, you can go to my channel and see the video that I created. It shows how to create a basic HTML file, and I will give its link in the description as well. So I've created a basic HTML, means with this code we will be able to create a web page in Chrome. Now for inserting image, we have to use tag img, which stands for image, src, which stands for source, means from which source the image will be, is equals to quotation marks. For inserting image, you will be having two options. You can either insert it by HTML, means a Google link, or you can insert it from your own desktop by copying its location. First I will show you the Google Chrome method. So you can search for anything here, example GeForce Now. Come here, then on this image, then click on open image in new tab. Here you have to copy its URL and paste it here. Then you have to save this file. I will be saving this on desktop. First I will be saving this as a text file, not directly as a HTML file. So it would be named as demo.txt. Then I will save this again, but this time with .html extension on desktop only. Save. Now if I minimize this, there will be one HTML file, and as you can see, we have our image displayed here. Next I will be showing you how to insert an image from your own computer, means your desktop. So for that, everything is same except one thing, which I will tell you nothing. So you have to write image source src is equal to quotation mark. Then here, instead of the URL, you have to put the location of image on your desktop. So I will be downloading this image. As you can see, click on save image as, going to desktop, then I will be renaming it to logo, and instead of JPG format I will be using PNG. You can use whatever format you want, but I would recommend use PNG, and save. As you can see, it has downloaded here. Close this, come back here. As you can see, there is one logo as well. This time I will be inserting image from my desktop. So you have to click on the image that you want to insert, right click, go to properties, come here in the locations. As you can see here, you have to copy this, copy, close this, paste it here. Then with slash, you have to name the image. I have named it logo, so I will be giving the address of logo here as well. And then I will save this, come here and refresh. As you can see, there is nothing because I haven't added the extension that the file is using. As you saw before that, I saved it using PNG format, so you have to write logo.png, even though .png is not written here. So remove .png, save it, refresh it, and as you can see, there is one more image here. That is because of this from our desktop. and then you can center this image by using the center tag. So I will show you that also. So as you can see, I have added center tags as well. So I'll be saving this again, coming here and refreshing. All both of the images are centered. You can also resize this image, but that topic will be covering in the next video. And this was it for image insertion, and in the next video you will see how to insert hyperlink into your HTML. So we are back, and this time I will tell you how to insert hyperlink into your HTML file. So I will create a new text file, okay, create the basic HTML structure. Okay, so I have created the basic HTML structure. Now I will be entering the tag for which from which we will be able to enter the hyperlink. HIEF equals to quotation marks and then close this tag. Now in this quotation mark, as you have seen in the previous part of the video, that we are entering the location of the image. Same like that, we will be entering the URL of the site that you want to be redirected. So for example, you can take any site. I will be using my Discord servers link here. I will copy this, I will paste it here. This HTTPS is important to be there in the link. Now I will be saving this as hyperlink.txt on desktop only, as you can see. Then I will be saving this again with a text HTML file extension, hyperlink.html. So as you can see, it has opened hyperlink.html from desktop, but it is not showing us any link on which we can click and be redirected, because in case of hyperlink we have to use an end tag as well, and before using the end tag you have to, I will create the end tag first, then /a. Now here you have to write a statement. For example, click here to be redirected to my Discord server. Okay, like that, because as you can see on the net it is like that, click here to get to the download page or something like that. So it will be working like that. Save this file and refresh this. As you can see, we have one. If I will be clicking on this, then yes, I have been redirected to my Discord server. So I'll be doing this once again with closing everything, clicking here, then as you can see, we have been redirected successfully. So by this we have learned how to insert an image as well as hyperlink into your HTML file. And one more thing, you can customize the look of your button, means on which you are clicking to be redirected to another site, means the hyperlink button. So by you can use h1 and center tags to center it or align, or we can say align that onto your web page, as well as you can use h1 and another tags to increase and decrease its font size. And that was the basic customization that you can do. And by this we have came to an end of our video. Hopefully the video has helped you, and you can check out my old videos to get some help regarding Python or HTML. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.